Beautiful, isn't it? See the really old house in front of you there?
Oh.
Great big house, see?
And there's these naturalised things that I can't think of the name of.
Flowers.
The Delirious have all died back. You can hear the bees, you listen. And the clover here, this is clover, and bees love clover here.
Which one?
Clover here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. A wildflower, and the bees love it. Clover there. Right there, there's a leaf of a clover. Green leaf. But if you get a four-leaf clover, that's really lucky.
I've found before. I've found 4 leaf before.
Have you?
Yeah,
Yeah, the opposite.
It's quite rare.
You hear all the bees buzzing.
Lovely, isn't it? Do you want in your bag? Huh? A couple extra. Things dive from accident.
The bees. Really?
No, what's that?
Oh, the look, bees flying around here.
Might be.
Where do you want to go first?
With the sniffer fly.
Where do you want to go first?
I don't know, you
In the
tell
house,
me.
or do you want to sort of go
Either way
in and
as well.
round?
Look at that.
Lovely, isn't it? Little flowers and stuff.
Yes.
Which way?
Where would you like?
Or in the house, and we're done in the
Following you.
house then maybe. And then we can just check the flowers and stuff like that, can't we?
Oh, God, she's
Hmm? Do I?
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
Very nice.
Lovely. You think how old is this? Look at it. Very old.
How old is it?
Very old.
Those tulips there.
Lovely, isn't it?
What are those?
This looks a bit like our thingy. Look, see there? No, it's different. Eh?
Your excitement, here you go. Right. And then I'm going to get a bit nearer here. I'll have to just send these over to you, won't I? That's nice.
We should be going.
Let's
go in. So,
Oh, poppies, aren't they? Lovely. And the hostas.
yeah.
I didn't know they had
Not chewed either.
Yeah, they're new,
Yeah, different type. Different varieties.
It's got a funny center point.
Lovely, isn't
Oh, it's cold now in the sun, in the shade.
it? We should,
See this tile?
well, these here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, yeah, poppy. They're going to develop into the
yeah.
flowers. So they're going to develop into the flowers. Yeah. These develop into the flowers, and then afterwards, look, that's what's left.
Oh.
You see in the middle, look, see that bit? That's what's left from the flowers.
Yes,
The
that's a
petals
seed
drop
head.
off.
And as they dry, you can rattle them and you can hear the seeds shaking in there. Yes.
How do you know
That's
if
that. Hey?
How do you know if it's dried out?
Because I start to rattle it, it'll look dry as well.
Oh,
There's a name for this and I can't think of the name of it. So I nearly bought one.
Not sure.
These hostas, they're free of slugs and snails.
I know. Let's go in. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at
Oh,
that.
that's too bad.
Should we go in?
You're going first.
Let's go in.
Look, you see that?
What's that?
Some kind of lily or other.
Yeah,
There's
not
like
sure
a-
what it is. Yeah.
Oh,
Multiple flowers, aren't they?
We'd love to know what your wand is for.
My magic wand. It's a 360-degree video, so you can kind of scroll around, or if you've got a VR headset, you can kind of look around the video. Yeah. So all angles
So
are
is it what
covered.
a stage agent to create those
Sorry.
walkthroughs?
Yeah, this kind of thing, yeah. And same as Google use the street view, kind of, yeah. Except there's a bigger kind of on the top of cars and
You've left that in the car park.
So yeah, kind of while I'm over, we come over from the Philippines to visit.
Where you
So
live?
yeah, so I'm making the most of kind of capturing it all. And kind of,
Capture your memories.
yeah.
Oh, it's a very old house for you to record.
Yeah.
Yes, I wish I put my camera
Remember-
there. I know I'm coming
I
I
know,
down.
met
this bit is
Christopher
really
Lloyd
fun.
when
I've
you
got
were
my
saying,
coat here.
visited sausage dogs you have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, there's a sausage dog there,
Oh.
but there aren't any living here at the moment.
No,
The last
oh.
few years has been dachshund free
Really?
when Aaron moved out. But
Yeah.
there's still, I think, some symbols and some signs, but not a real live napping dog.
Because a cat can sometimes catch signs. And he's not allowed in there.
Oh,
He's
no,
not.
no, no.
So you have to keep an eagle eye out.
Why? Well,
because he scratches or he pees? I don't know. I never got
Probably
that
both,
far.
yeah.
Both, yeah.
Cool. Let's go and have a look.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, I think this is really weird.
Stand back.
Thank you. Thank you.
Narrow enough.
Yeah.
Lovely. Bless. Great hall. Nice. Very big, isn't it? Have you been in here before? Yeah.
I
Simple. Yeah. You think how old this is? Amazing, isn't it? Well tempered garden.
Thank you for sharing all your knowledge. Thank you.
Hello. Happy. Remember meeting Christopher Lloyd? Sometime it was quite old then, but yeah, he was sausage dog looking around the garden.
I never met him.
Oh, lucky man. Yeah.
3 years ago.
Oh.
So no, I never met him.
Haven't been here in years though. Probably about 10 years ago from now. Yeah, last time I came here. I think it was about 10 years ago. I think,
What,
wasn't
you
it?
were
Last
here?
time we were here. Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
I saw you the last time, about a few months back. I came with a friend actually. You're so knowledgeable. Yeah, I came with my friend, Jill.
Oh.
Yeah, really. I think you were explaining about the family upstairs on the portraits of the Christopher Lloyd.
Christopher Lloyd, yeah. Oh, just walk round. Different angles. There he is. Yeah. I remember him. Yeah. He's lovely. Lovely man. Oh, tapestry. Look at that. Do it. And raise up my. Quite cool coming back, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. cold in winter in the house?
No, because it's centrally heated.
Oh, essentially,
So it's
is
actually
it?
warmer in here in the winter than
Is
it
it?
is now. So
Oh, really? Is it?
yeah,
Oh,
because
wow.
it kind of like
Conserves it all. does it?
conserves it all. There are radiators hidden behind all of these trunks here.
That's clever.
So if you just kind of like look underneath,
You
you
can
can
actually
see
see the kind of like
and
the
all
pipe
around
work.
the edge of the Great Hall there are
amazing.
these kind of like trunks, and they
Oh, hide it away. It's clever, isn't it? Ah, I was just thinking, God, I bet it's freezing. It's not. Would have been in the
So
past.
they turn the heating off at the beginning of May,
Ah,
and we've had some cold days, haven't we, in May? We've lit the fire.
there we are. That's enough, I imagine, isn't it?
Well, we sit by the fire.
Yeah.
We fight over
Yeah.
who's going to sit there, and then we worry all night that we haven't burnt down Great Dixter.
Oh no. Small worry.
I know.
Who turned up? Oh no.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Goodness.
Lying in bed here.
Yeah. Oh no. That'd be a worry, wouldn't it?
It would, yeah. I really like to keep my jaw.
No. No. Not in the house anyway.
Did you?
Something about the heating and sort of stuff here.
I mean, here it's cold,
Mm.
isn't it?
It's a bit fresh, but saying it must be freezing, isn't it? It's all radiators hidden behind the
Oh, I
trunks
see,
and stuff.
yes.
Yeah. And around things and stuff. Then they've got the fires as well.
Fires,
I think it's a bit
fires.
nippy.
They had the Lord Mayor's, was it Lord
The
Mayor's?
Lord Lieutenant's
Lord Lieutenant's
dinner.
dinner here.
That was
Oh.
Wednesday night.
Ah.
Wow. Yeah.
And all of the flower arrangements. So
Hmm.
if you look at the flower arrangements that's on the
Okay.
table, they're all set out on the table.
Ah.
Yeah, that was Fergus did that, wasn't it?
Yes, it
Yeah,
was.
Fergus Garrett. He's
Hmm.
actually a judge at the Chelsea Flower Show this year.
Oh, is he?
apparently.
Ah.
Is that his first time as being a judge? Oh, he's done it before, has he? Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. I was there at Chelsea last year, but I haven't got to go this year. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Very cool. Mm. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Mm. See, we've got a window up there, look. Up there. Then have a look. Who's up? That. Persian 6 one.
You can go, you can do
Go.
can't see it today.
Oh,
John. Sorry, I was going to come.
Cool.
Sorry? Not today. No, you have to go on a special tour. If you look at there's a
Okay.
picture over there in a frame.
Yeah.
If you look at
Yeah. Sir Edwin Lutyens. Don't remember going up there. Was it not? It's windy down there. Hello, Wendy. It's cool, isn't it? Dry. Nice. Wow. The view out over there.
Sir Jackson.
One
So you saw them here, did you?
there. Yeah. Thanks.
So this
That's a lot.
is Christopher Lloyd, is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's Fergus Garrett.
Oh, is it? I
Yes.
see. Oh. So lovely, isn't it? That picture.
My dad would say, excuse me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, look, they're all on everything, gardening, everything. With horticulture. Thank you, Dre. And that's the view down there. How's that little window as well?
Yeah. If you're up here,
Yeah, you can spy.
Someone is down there.
One of them downstairs.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, guide. How do you guide some of these, huh?
Oh, what, in Roman numerals? L? Not sure actually.
What's the letter L in? 50. 50.
Open doors.
Just that little step here, yeah.
Yeah, somebody just tripped over.
What's
Oh, it's
that?
an old spinning wheel. Used to spin wool here, yeah? Spin wool. So when you get the wash it, when you spin it, you can hold it, you So, oh, yeah, another stick. Not as big as yours.
Oh, right, yeah. See? Twinning. The twinning.
We're going to be fighting for signal.
Brilliant. That's fun, isn't it? Almost never see other people with 360s.
I wonder why
She's
you're
got a 360. Yeah. Right, let's go in there. Brilliant. Somebody else is one.
Yes, I saw that. I didn't realise you've started a trend.
I know, word travels quick. Quite good. Right, coming out here a minute. Yeah. Look at that view. Go in the garden. Yeah.